What do you think?
Myself Naveen Kumar Reddy. I am from OME 225. Now I am going to check the auscultation of a patient. Auscultation, which means a physical examination by using phenidoscope to check the sounds of the heartbeat and pulse rate. Now I am going to check the
Okay.
auscultation.
First point.
First point, we have to check the fifth intercostal space. Fifth intercostal space to check the mitral valve
Okay.
sound.
Okay.
Now I am going to check.
Check.
From clavicle, we have to check the five intercostal spaces.
First.
1, 2,
Two.
3, 4, and 5.
Inside.
This is the space we have to listen the sound of the mitral valve.
Okay, listen. Don't afraid and put this. Inhale, exhale, don't
Inhale,
breathe.
exhale.
You
Stop.
listening sound?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point.
Next point, I have to check the aortic valve, which is the place between the two intercostal spaces and left side of the sternum. Now I'm going to check the point.
Okay.
First,
Right
second.
side, not left side. Right side.
Sorry, right side of the sternum.
Okay.
Now I'm going to
Okay. Good. Inhale, exhale, don't
inhale,
breathe.
exhale. Yes, ma'am, I am listening.
Okay. Good. Next point.
Third point, I am going to check the third point of the opposite side. Opposite side, where pulmonary valve. I am going to check the sound, which is the space, which is presented the space second intercostal space.
These are sternum.
1, 2.
Okay.
Stop. Stop.
Next point.
Fourth point, tricuspid valve, which is the point present below the xiphoid process or sternum. The tricuspid valve sound I am going to listen. Yes, ma'am. Next, the fifth point, which is the point between the third intercostal space or the point at the Erb's point. Erb's point.
Which side?
It is located on the left side.
Okay, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm listening the 5 sounds of the heartbeat, heart.
Okay.